Hi there, are you ready to join a team that helps others, secures their data, and creates an income opportunity? My name is Marvin Gandis, and I'm excited to introduce you to GotBackUp, the perfect way to protect your digital life and grow your financial freedom. GotBackUp isn't just about secure data backup, it's about creating a better future. Whether you're a network marketer, a remote worker, or just someone looking for an extra income stream, this opportunity has something for everyone. In today's digital world, losing data can be devastating. Imagine losing years of work, precious memories, or critical business information in an instant. It's a nightmare scenario that no one wants to face. GotBackUp offers reliable cloud storage that protects your most valuable files. With GotBackUp, you can rest easy knowing your data is safe and accessible anytime, anywhere. But here's the exciting part. You can also earn by sharing this essential service with others. Spread the word and help others safeguard their digital lives while building a steady income stream for yourself. Imagine earning an income while helping people secure their digital lives. It's a win-win. Join the GotBackUp community today and start making a difference in the digital world. Here's how it works. First, secure your backup. Start by using GotBackUp yourself. Experience the value of protecting your files. It's easy to set up and ensures that all your important documents, photos, and videos are safe from unexpected data loss. Next, share with others. Recommend GotBackUp to friends, family, and colleagues. Show them how simple it is to use and how it can save them from potential data disasters. Every time someone signs up through you, you earn. It's a great way to make some extra money while helping others protect their valuable data. Then, build residual income. GotBackUp is subscription-based, so you earn a residual income for as long as they stay subscribed. This means you can continue to earn month after month, creating a steady stream of income. And as you build your network, your earnings grow. The more people you refer, the larger your network becomes, and the more you can earn. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. It's simple, scalable, and proven to work. With GotBackUp, you have a reliable system that not only protects your data, but also provides an opportunity to generate income. Start today and see the benefits for yourself. GotBackUp is for everyone. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, an entrepreneur, or someone just starting in network marketing, this opportunity is flexible and easy to integrate into your lifestyle. No technical skills are required, just a willingness to share and help others. There's never been a better time to start. People are more aware than ever of the need for data security, and GotBackUp is the solution they're looking for. By joining today, you position yourself to grow with a booming market while creating a steady income stream. So what are you waiting for? Time is precious, and every moment counts. This is your chance to protect what matters most, your cherished memories, and the people you love. Help others do the same by sharing this opportunity with friends and family, and build a financial future you can be proud of. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with financial security. Click the link below to join GotBackUp and become part of a supportive, motivated team that's dedicated to your success. Together, we can achieve great things. Let's make 2025 the year you achieve your goals with GotBackUp. Set your sights high and aim for success. I can't wait to welcome you to the team. Your journey to a brighter future starts now.